Southgate Garage coming at you live in the Southland from the Tax and Spend State. Okay, look what we got today. We got a mower here. We got the drive belt that came off. So you got this right here. This might be why. It might be froze. No, it's not froze. Got it dropped off. Need to put a drive belt on it and some tires. So local garage in town said they can't fix this. This is unfixable. Again, this is what you'll hear when you're on. Southgate Garage. Okay, look what I got in the garage there. How's it going? Gonna feel what's in today? Can be fixed because it's probably only, I would say, a $12 belt. It hooks into the other belts there, and it drives your wheels. See the top here is where it's gonna go, right here. Okay, so we gotta get this off. I think it moves on the top. I'm not sure. I've never done it before, but I see this one pulley's here, and there's one pulley back here. So I'll take this off, get a new one, and figure out how to put it on there. I do not see another pulley. I'm thinking that one comes from there, so oh, it must come through here and around here. Okay. Well, we'll get the belt and figure it out. Okay, so it's wrapped around here in front of this belt. I don't know if you can see this. Light's kind of poor, but it is each other, huh? So that tells me that you're going to put it on and you're going to put it around to get it on that drive pulley. All right, I'm going to get a light when I get it all together, and I'll show you how to get it. I'll show you how I did it, because I can barely see, but we'll get it done. Okay, look what I found. This is a tension pulley. I wonder how many tractors got thrown out because of this. Look, you just move this tension pulley back and you're going to move these up. I don't have enough hands to show you. I hope you could see it. I'm sure the light is terrible. I couldn't get down to Southgate Garage today and get the lights because I'm babysitting the boy, but we'll see what we can do here. This is just a little fun you have, you know, little side project. Keep my mind busy. Little favor I do for my friend. He just purchased this mower. 300 bucks. But it had flat tires and it won't move. But he said, they told him it wouldn't move. He said, well, I know someone that can get it to run. I hope I can prove him right.
Okay, so I was trying to get this out on the bottom without cutting it. Now you can just cut it, but I like to usually just leave everything together, take it apart, figure out how to take it apart, and then, you know, a lot of people just tear everything apart and then try to figure it out how to put together. But I try to be, you know, as gentle as I can. But okay, so while I'm underneath this thing, I noticed something. That the battery was right above this thing. So I look in here, I said, wow, check this out. See, there's always a solution to every problem. Just work through it, get it done. Look at that. Bleep. Now I can see everything. I'll put a nut on there. I'll put a ratchet on there, pull it out, and everything will come right out. Check it out, huh? Okay, so as soon as we got this off here, I'm gonna have to get a light to show you this. But this here hooks on the outside of this right here, you know, and you'll bolt it with 2 bolts. It's actually the stick shift that comes up here. See, you take all this out. Look, isn't that awesome? Take all this out, and there's your drive. There's where your drive pulley is, right there. I guess there's 2 pieces. So it goes back here.
Gotta move this up. Put it in. Let's do this right now. Get the bolts back in here. Try not to get your hand smashed. Just put you right in there. See exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just turning it around my hand. It's almost there. And I think I'm as far as I can get. So you got to pull this piece out here. Idler pulley. We can just get this to sit down on this thing here. We would have it. It's a nice and tight belt though. I might have to do it the other way around. Because motor turns the other way, I think. Oh, look at that. It went in. Do you see that? Now let's get our fucking hands out of here. And it's all in. There, my friends. Oh, looks like we didn't go. Hang on a second, please. Yeah, I'll take you. We didn't put it in that track though, so we gotta get that done. Let me catch my breath. Oh no. Well, I have to get that around there. It'll be a take two, I guess, if I can't get it out of there. Now, are you supposed to be wearing your new shoes out here? Southgate? Okay, we'll figure out how to get this done here. Alright, so when you get it done, this is what it's going to look like. This is your idler pulley here. Put it on there. And this piece was in the way because I put it over it. So what I did is I just bent it down because I could not get this belt back off. You can actually take these off, I guess. This little guide here. I just put it straight up and down. It was bent all the way over here. It wouldn't let the belt come on, so I just bent it back all the way down, put the belt around and put it on there. So, all right, now to see if it works. Okay, we got the battery in. We gotta check the oil on this thing first. Okay, we'll put this back on. Put a little bulb on there. You got the key. Shut the lid. Okay. Contact. Neutral. Nothing. Okay, let's see what we got here. We gotta fix these things. Alright, so I got the belt on there. And I tried to start it and the brake is just like locked on there. So when you hit the pedal, this little thing here, I'll show you, pulls that forward and takes the belt off this idler pulley. And that's your brakes, I guess, huh? Now, I think that's what the problem was, why it was throwing belts, because when you hit that, it wasn't coming off far enough. So, I'm thinking, I'm going to try to unloosen that, because there's got to be more travel than that. Look, that's all there is for brakes. I don't know if it's an automatic, you know, it does it itself. Is that why it got so out of whack? I'm going to try to pull it back this way and see if we get some good brakes. Because I want to drive this mold all this grass here. Okay, now that I got it off, look, Look how much pedal I got now. Whoa! Whoa! So what if I have to put it back on the thing? So what we're going to do is we're going to try to adjust that piece out of here. Try to move that back, but I'm telling you what, it's all rusted to hell in there. This little cotter pin that goes through this on the other side when it fits in there. I'm wondering, does this move? Does that actuate the back brakes or what? We gotta figure that out. Because I don't really know. I would imagine that would be the only brake system, huh? But look, it is. We do not have brakes. And it just holds right there. Okay. Well, we'll fix that. Look at iPhone too on this thing. It's a cylinder. Okay. So we took that off and we adjusted a little bit and we found out really it was, I think it's in the right spot. So we try to play with it. The shifter goes into that. It's hooked up to the brake and it works like a governor, huh? Like a freewheel pulley. And pulls the main drive belt. Because there's this two-piece. Loosens that up. And then pulls this one back. So I looked at this and thinking I had the belt like this. I had it like this. You look at that. I had it coming around and pulling this back. I said, maybe that's not right. Maybe this shifter here that shifts your forward and reverse. The bottom maybe is a guide. So instead of running this way, I'll run this way around and we'll see if it runs. Alright, we got it going. One wheel feel. Okay, so how I got this all to work here, if you remember, I got a flashlight here. This was real tight when I put it on. Now it's not the way it's supposed to be. Let's go around here. See? That's how it works in there. But as you can see, let me see here. Oh, this piece here. Yeah, let's go around here. You'll have to take this piece off. Let's see right here. This piece here, this is for the gear shift, right there. And put it around it, through it, in the middle, see? You have to slide it right over the top of this. Right through there. And how you would do it, there's two bolts right here. Those two bolts. I ain't got enough hands. But that's why it was so tight at the beginning and I thought I had it threaded wrong. See those two bolts? So this just comes right out. It'll just lay on its side. But I tell you, it's a good mower. It really works good. So you just put it right around there, see? It's split. You see that rod down there? Goes on each side. Goes around that big pulley there. Split the pulley, put it in there. Pulley back. It mows good. Tires on it next. So let's see if we get it dry first.
Nice, huh? Look at that.
For what?
No, that's already.
Hey guys.
What you gotta do is you gotta put a destruction blade on it. Yeah, put that in there like that. So you got that holder? Open it up.
I already did that one. I already did that one.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, see? Oh my God! A snow blower. Well, actually, the Southgate got it. Thanks for watching Southgate Garage.